Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you all some of my favorite Temu home stuff. I'm in my kitchen because most of the stuff is like kitchen related. I know in my vlogs a lot of you guys have been asking me about certain things that you've been seeing, and so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a dedicated video so that I can share with you all the things that I have been using regularly. All of this stuff is super affordable, y'all. The prices on the Temu site will have you in a chokehold, seriously. So yeah, this video is in partnership with Temu, so let's go ahead and get started. First item is this digital measuring spoon. I love this thing so much. I use it every single day. I have been doing my best to just measure my coffee creamer when I'm drinking my coffee every day because I tend to kind of overdo it on the creamers. You can see it is digital. Also, what I love about this is that you don't put the whole thing in a dishwasher, or you don't need to wash the entire thing. So you can remove this portion and just wash this and throw it in the dishwasher. I just throw it in the dishwasher on the top rack. I do not put this in the wash because, like I said, it is digital. So yeah, it does come with a battery when you get it. And yeah, I've really been enjoying using this. It's just like a little fun little gadget that I use every day. The next item is this meat grinder. I don't know why I'm just now getting one of these, but let me tell you, if you make tacos, if you make spaghetti, if you do any type of cooking where you need to grind up something, meat, Beyond Meat, vegan meat, whatever, you need this. Game changer. A fork could never. This is the way to go. I'm telling you. Thank me later. Got some new flatware. I've never owned gold flatware and I think it's so pretty. So they had this set. It was like a set of 42. You get the fork, spoon, knife, and you get these little teaspoons. I mean, we can't use this for anything besides me stirring tea and coffee, so that's why I just put it over here. These I love. They're so pretty. So far they have held up really well. I throw them in a dishwasher, using them every single day. So yeah, another great little addition and super affordable. Also, everything that I'm mentioning will be linked below with prices. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna be blown away when you see the prices of this stuff. These are really nice. They are stainless steel. Not gonna lie, I was afraid they were gonna be like kind of cheap and flimsy, but they're legit. So been loving those. Also got some new mixing bowls. Now these do not come as a set. You have to buy them separate. So I got a small and a medium, and these are the bowls that I've just been using on a day-to-day, just whipping up quick little like tuna salads. I recently made fruit salad. Just different things like that. These are great. So I got rid of all of my other little plastic cheap mixing bowls. This is all you need. You get to the point where you're just like, it's just too much. Like, I don't need 20 mixing bowls. I just need 2 good ones. Like, this one is just fine. It mixes whatever I need. Yeah, I got 2 of these and I love them. I use them so much that I've just been leaving them like on the counter back there because I'm just reaching for them constantly, whipping up different things throughout the day. So those have been great and I absolutely love them. Now this next item, if you guys have kids are notorious for just putting things in the microwave, not covering it up with a paper towel, not covering it up with anything. You look in your microwave and it is like an explosion of everything. This is a magnetic microwave food cover. So instead of it just like sitting in your microwave like this, you can put it at the top and it just stays in the microwave like that. That is so genius to me. So if you put something in the microwave and you don't need to cover, it's fine. You can just leave it in there and cook whatever you need to cook. But if you need to use it, you just lower it down, close the microwave, use it, and then you just stick it back up there like that. That is probably like my favorite thing because now the microwave stays clean much longer. Don't have to worry about splashes and different explosions going off in the microwave. So yes, love that. All right guys, sorry, I had to relocate us because the light being a little kept coming in weird, so we're here. We're still in the kitchen, but we're here. So this next item is something that I have wanted to get for so long. Again, if you are in a household with kids and you pack lunches, or your spouse packs lunches and you're constantly using Ziploc bags, you need this. This is a Ziploc Bag Organizer, and I am obsessed. I love this thing so much. How nice is this? You basically just slide this open and you put all of your bags in. So I got the one for gallon bags, quart freezer bags, sandwich and snack bags, because those are the ones that we tend to use the most. This has saved so much space in our drawers. Now I can toss the boxes. You buy all these bags and they come in all these obnoxious boxes. You're constantly having to play Tetris with your drawers to get everything to fix, and it's just such a nuisance. And so this right here has been a game changer. So I got that. It does come with the labels too that you can stick on the board. It's wooden, it's really heavy duty and very nice, good quality, and it fits in our drawer perfectly. So yes, this has been a godsend. This next item, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is an acrylic magnetic calendar. And you guys have probably seen this in the background on the fridge in my vlogs. Does not have anything on it because our cleaning lady came, and when she cleaned the refrigerator, she wiped everything off. So it's fine, really not a big deal. All you need is dry erase marker, and you can just fill in the days. I mean, we're at the end of May anyway, so I'm gonna have to switch it out here soon for June. But I thought that was so funny when she left and I went to the fridge. I was like, oh, okay, so she wiped my calendar clean. Fortunately, there wasn't anything like of importance on here, but I love this. So I used to buy the paper calendars that were magnetic and that you could stick on the refrigerator, and each month you just peel it off. But I saw this. Well, here's what happened. I went on too late to the Etsy site and she was all sold out, so I was like, okay. Well, I saw Temu had this and I was like, oh, that's perfect. I never have to buy another calendar again. You just use your dry erase marker, fill in your dates. You just circle in which month it is and you fill in your dates. You have plenty of room to write in doctor's appointment or whatever you need. You can also use it for like sticky post-its if you need to leave notes for family members. And it is so aesthetically pleasing. I love it. Very just minimal. It's not obnoxious. It doesn't have a lot going on. It's just a really simple calendar, and it's a magnetic. So yes, if you're in the market for a nice family calendar at an affordable price, because some of them can be extremely pricey. You know, they have the fancy ones where you can get your family name on them and all that jazz. This works just fine for us and I love it. Next item I am obsessed with. It is this electric brush cleaner. I love this thing. I have been using this so much to just do little cleanings in the sink. It's great to clean your sink really good. So if you want to do like a deep clean in your sink, this is great. Also, if you have like pots and pans and you don't want to like get your hands in there and get dirty, this is great. So it comes with several different interchangeable brushes. So here's this brush. You just take it off. Sponge, Brillo pad. This is great for doing deep cleaning of your pots and pans. You can also use these in your bathroom too. So they're not just for the kitchen. You can use these for your bathroom sink, for your shower or whatever. And then it comes with this one. So this is a sponge with a little scrubby on the end. And it also comes with a little buffing little pad. So all you have to do is just put on one of the little heads, and then you just put this over, and it turns into like a little polishing brush, which is really nice. I haven't used this one yet, but I like that they have so many different options for you to choose from. So yeah, this thing has been great and I'm obsessed with it. To charge it, it does come with a USB cord, so all you have to do is just plug it in, let it charge overnight or whatever, and you're good to go. But I love this thing so much, so much. The next item is right here. I'll pop up a photo for you guys here on the screen, but it's a 3-tier little shelving rack. I really like this because it looks more suitable for the kitchen area. It's not really tall, it's low to the ground, which is nice because my son can reach it, the baby can reach it if he needs to grab something, which he always is grabbing something from somewhere, especially if it's food. I also have like just different little snacks here. This is where I have like all of my like iced coffee stuff, so my cups, my straws and things here because it's really close to my coffee station. Yeah, this has been great. I've been utilizing this quite a bit. Again, if you live in a small space, apartment living, small house living, townhomes, condos, little things like that really do matter because we don't have a pantry. We just have cabinet space, which we do have a lot of cabinet space. We have cabinets all along here. We have cabinets here and up here. However, when you're a family of 4 with a dog, you need more storage for certain things, and so having little racks like this really do help us out, and it's just easy and it works for us. So most of you all know I absolutely love iced coffees. I recently did a video on making Starbucks shaken espresso cold brew on the go, and I am back. I'm back making my own iced coffees at home. I'm done. The only time that I will be going out to get coffee from a coffee shop is like a special outing, if I'm out and we're, you know, specifically going in the area and I want to try a new coffee. But on a day-to-day, like stopping at Starbucks every morning and grabbing iced coffee is just not it. That's not cute, it's not responsible. So I recently have bought a bunch of plastic cups with lids and straws. I go on Temu and they have all the cups, all the straws for a fraction of the price. I have this big box full of, hold on, not only cups with lids, it comes with straws, y'all. So these are just individual straws, cups. These are 16-ounce cups because you guys know I love 16-ounce, and the lids. Like, I'm set. I'm so sad. And then upon further research, I found more pink heart-shaped straws. But y'all, these are not disposable. These are reusable. I was so excited when I saw these. Now you guys know I got a ton of those disposable ones and I'm gonna use them. But they have actual reusable ones, so I get to have them and keep them. Now I'm not going to use these just yet because I don't want to get them mixed up with the other ones. How cool is that? Like, I'm telling y'all, like, Temu is where it's at. They got it all. So got all the cups and lids and straws that I'm going to need. So these will be our cups for the summer, so we do not need to buy any cups. When family comes in town, we're good on plastic cups for sure. Now, this next item is not a kitchen related item, but I wanted to share it with you guys because I recently got it and I love it, and this is something that I definitely needed because it just makes things so much more organized. So I got this acrylic sunglass case. I like this one because it completely covers your glasses, so it's not open. Your glasses don't get dusty, they don't get dirty, they're closed in. So you can store it straight up like this. I have a pair out because they're in my car, or you can lay them flat. So I tend to just lay it flat on our dresser, and you can just pull the drawer out like this, grab your sunglasses, put them back at the end of the day, which I'm not good about because obviously I have a pair missing, and just close it back up. I love this so much. I've always wanted to have an organization system for my sunglasses, but I could never find anything that looked good. I love this so much. It looks so good on the dresser. It kind of acts as like decor. You can switch out the glasses however you want. So I am going to get another one so that I can add my other sunglasses. So you can just store 4 pairs of glasses. And yeah, again, another just great item that is so useful. That is everything that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.